everything, laughing and saying, "Come on in, come on in." Oh, it controls each ship, doesn't it? Yeah. So likewise, this is how does it work? So this is the enterprise. So the enterprise, it controls like the each one of this. Not only that, it controls all the space around it. It's monitoring all the space around it for any kind of objects that are not there, or should be there, or shouldn't be there, or all those things. So that is the real solution, enterprise solution. I would say alien, yeah, to solving the autopilot or the test project. We need to think in terms of no, the car cannot, we cannot, like the Stanford technology about, a car driving itself. We pushed it really too much. It needs to be coupled with orchestration, system orchestration or transportation grid orchestration. I come up with all kind of new tables that drive you insane. Where the orchestration is like each vehicle, you're making sure that they don't touch each other, that they stay away from each other. There's nothing like crazy going on in the space. Like we have like tunnels in space that are like a control is monitoring them. And each one, you stay at your height and your thing, and then finally it makes the grid. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis, and that's how you. And each one is the enterprise system. It controls all these things. So we have transportation systems that go like a pipeline, a grid in the sky. Yeah, that's why I'm calling it the grid of heaven. So it goes like a grid in heaven, and it's controlled by a benign. We're not going to make this like an evil thing. All my ideas are good and they're wonderful, and it has to be owned by the people, for the people. So that is the solution for autopilot in tests and testing Teslas. So the two things aspect is, one is we test them using, because currently racecourses are sitting empty. There's a whole lot of Horsey, like even Calgary Stampede, the Hiawatha, the Horse Park, all kind of horse parks and all. They don't really have, they sit empty except for the weekends. So during the week and the nights and all, when the horses are eating grass and doing the right horsing, we can use that same space to test them Teslas. And trying to autonomous cars and make them good, because it's like that's a nightmare situation. I keep on with thinking of the poor young showing off boy on in Shanghai driving his Tesla and hitting a garbage truck. Imagine what, like, phew, that's just awful. And same with that that person going after a bike ride and crossing the off ramp, wacko. And then there's another boy, I think he was in the Midwest. He put a lot of YouTube video. Because there was a trailer doing a U-turn on the highway. U-turns on the highway, like, wrong. No, this was like a real nightmare